I am a fan of Golden Hoops.
It's the things we love most that destroy us.
Zion, tough shot inside, it's flat, rebound goes to Zion and he lays it in! Just pulled it away from Harden, wow!
Stays a three-point game, and a little bit too fast, Trey Jones turns it over. Get it to Zion, not a bad idea! Points off the turnover.
I think it's safe to say the energy's in the building.
Off the arm of Ingram, picks it up, a no-look pass, and Zion rocks the rim with the left.
In the combine on their standing protocol. Oh my God.
That's a crazy shot right there. That 80s.
It's a family show.
Beautiful pass. Zion! Herb on the beautiful pass. Z. Go for it. He will. I tell you what, man. Get out of the way.
Especially not against a team of this magnitude.
See you later. Go ahead, Zion. Whenever you like. Yes! And bring him away. Hard off the heel, but Brandon's got a second chance. How about that pass to Zion? Yes! Saw him cut to the basket. And a timeout for Mike Malone.
Zion, here come the Pelicans, a chance to tie. Lob to Zion, makes the grab and flushes it down. Timeout, Ty Lue. 8:04.
So, and again, we saw Willie do this in the first half. So you put the ball in Zion's hands in the middle of the floor. Right.
How did he get that one? Brandon Ingram, Mitchell Robinson thought he had it. Zion on the run, look out. End of the line.
A lot of guys on the executive committee are deeper in their careers, they're in their 30s, but to see Jared, whoa, Zaire Williamson with a dunk against Jackson.
By Zion. Zion out of the line. He needs it. He's done everything else.
Overran the bucket. Here comes Alvarado. He'll drop it up top and put it down. Zion.
Down by 2. 60 seconds to go. They turn him over. Here comes Dylan Brooks. Brooks blocked by Zion Williamson. And Jeff Green doesn't take any chances.
He put a move on Mikal Bridges that I'm still watching. You know what I'm talking about.
I do know exactly what you're talking about.
12 rebounds, so he feels comfortable in this matchup and feeling comfortable. Not,
The offensive end early. Zion, here comes the double. He blasts past the line. Seconds. On the run, Dyson. Good play by Black. But at the buzzer, Zion.
free foul here in Philly. Here he is again, the other side. Nice steal. He's going to take it, throw it up. He is putting on a show in the first quarter tonight.
By 3. Bell's right now on a 6-0 lead.
Gotcha.
Take your time. He will. Deep into the clock now. Zion, see you
He got a
later.
running start.
And he's going
He got a running start. And I think
One-on-one with your 7. There's some help by JC. Back out front, they leave him alone for 3. Not the most deadly of three-point shooters, but
defending it well. And it wasn't meant for Jalen Johnson. Zion, take your time. Oh, on the windmill. You can see what they want to do.
Watch out.
Beautiful. Look out. And he's going to the line.
And you know what, Joe? The thing that you were talking about and
Gang rebounding.
it's a double.
You got it. Zion. Reverse.
Joe, do I need to say this again?
Waiting to read it. Good pass. Trey. Keep it down.
Come on, Trey.
Now. Zion lowers the tray.
By David Rodney.
And a Williamson lob slam.
Brandon's got it. One and done. On the lob. Zion. Jonas to the high post. Zion's going to beat it himself. Ooh, beautiful dive.
Give him room.
Z.
Give him room.
And Z's got it.
Give him room.
There it goes. See, he gets it just a half.
It's an field, but they can't guard him, Joe.
Little flip, going to the line.
They cannot guard this man.
By Ingram. Into Zion Williamson.
They murdered up. Got a good job supporting Matt Ryan without fouling. He goes over the top. Hey! Taken away it is. Poked away by Dyson. Najee. Dyson had another! I think I can cope with this. That's all mine. Zion. Finger rolls. Bird's there. Coming up with Hall. Good pass. Zion on the finish. No. Bird's got it. Dyson finds him and Zion shares it. Brandon.
Guarded by Williams. For the lead. Valanciunas got it. But Zion Williamson, you have to be ready. He's attacking every time. Look at this spin.
One of the younger guys want to take a leadership role in the Union, and Williamson back-to-back lobs. And now New Orleans with a response after the Grizzlies.
G League with the Austin Toros back in the day. He was the head coach there 4 years when he was managed the B League. Zion crosses it in.
That's just a strong
rebound are what they're going to continue to need from him. Great effort.
Williamson in traffic and one.
Score close. Magic mistakes. Here's Williamson with a nice spin into the lane.
double downstream. He turns the corner.
Zion again.
Williamson. And that goes through as he stepped towards the baseline. So it's 22 points.
Sitting clear out, but you see the way they're guarding again. He got there in play.
Here's Williamson off the Valanciunas screen. Rejected the screen.
To poke it away from behind. Zion sees it space.